anything can be changed. That is the power you have. So the same event, you could give it a different meaning. Now let us say, if somebody has been hurting you, you can say they have made you strong. You can thank them for that. So it's a different way of viewing things. Anything we can see in any way we want. It's only perception. There are no facts. There are no facts at all. There are only perceptions. You can build up any kind of perception. Fortunately, the brain is neuroplastic. You can take any view. You see people changing, no? Today they talk one thing, morning they would talk one thing, evening they would talk one thing. Nobody is fixed or static. So it's going on changing all the time. You can very well change. Take whatever view suits, which suits you, that's all. So that power you have in your hands. You go on telling yourself, okay, my parents hurt me, they made me strong, and you'll become strong. The whole thing is about changing your viewpoint, that's all. Changing the meaning you give it. There's so many people you can tell you from our archives. How the same family, one brother giving one meaning, his life becomes different. The other guy, the same event, looking at it differently, his life becoming different. So it keeps changing like that. So if you give the wrong meaning or whatever is not advantageous to you, there's no right meaning or wrong meaning. What is advantageous to you, it will help you. What is not will destroy you. So it's up to you. Whatever meaning you want to give, you can give. So many women who come here used to tell originally, oh, my husband was shouting like anything. Now they say, oh, he's roaring like a lion. It's so beautiful. The same guy. And one man says, oh, she's so nagging. It's so beautiful. Her nagging is more like music. So the perception changes. What is oneness? Changing your perception. You are stuck with your perceptions, therefore you are stuck with life. So we are knocking out those perceptions and making you see things differently. We call that the flowering of intelligence. We also call it the flowering of the heart, and your life changes. The problem is you are stuck with your emotions, with your perceptions. Like a lorry getting stuck in mud, you are stuck. The same story go on repeating. The same movie theater will be going again and again saying this today, the movie will have a different ending. How would it end differently? The same movie, the same story is running your life. Your life is being run by a story. Now the story must be changed. How? Change the perception. The emotion will change. And along with the emotion, the inner dialogue will change. With that, decision will change, action will change, and destiny changes. So you must start by changing the perception. This is the fifth program. Now, however much you change the fifth program, if 1, 2, 3, 4 others are not good, it won't work. That you cannot do anything. That we will do. But we cannot do unless we change program 5. That's where we are stuck. If you can change program 5, the rest we can change. Yeah. This is the pivotal thing, you know. And unfortunately, you're not able to do this. You don't take it seriously. You just want to wallow in your suffering. You're addicted to suffering. Many people, they're just addicted to suffering. They want to suffer, no? One man ran away from me because he was weeping. His mother had died. He was in his 40s. They brought him to me. The moment he saw me, he ran away saying, this man will take away my suffering. I want to be weeping for my mother. Well, he has all his freedom. But that was his viewpoint. If he chooses to be suffering, let him suffer. Many people are addicted to suffering, you know. Even cancer, if you change the perception, and 2 days is cured. Those who are willing to change the perception, it's over. It's a result of your perception. Your whole immune system, your body, everything changes, you know. Once the perception changes, you're stuck there. Most of the ailments, whatever the genes are, other things are there, can all be changed if you change your perception. But people are not prepared to give it up. If they give it up, 24 hours, the magic happens.